Hello my friend, now you can see we are ready to testing the machine for you. This is one of our heating furnace. Now let's see this part. First part is the feeding part. It's pneumatic feeding automatically. We can put the raw materials on this pallet. Yes, you can see this automatic rod is pushing the raw materials into the furnace body. When the furnace working, we will keep feeding the raw materials one by one, and we keeping feeding it, and it will push the raw materials into the furnace body. Yes, like this. This is for a square bar heating. Push it inside the furnace, and we keep feeding the second one, third one, and it will push the raw materials into the furnace and transfer by the furnace body, and it will went to this side. This side you can see the furnace will come out. The raw materials will come out from this side, and we have automatic roller. Normally we will add a platform at the end of the furnace body to keeping the hot materials, or we can have a vessel to keep the raw materials, hot material. That's all.